Well, how you doing, guys and gals? It's me, George, the Shade Tree Railroad Man. And it's a busy day in downtown Shadeville. We're going to come up with a different name for the town. That's okay, but not going to do what I want it to do. And I wanted to give you a final update on the gas station. Well, it's not quite completed because I haven't got my street sign put up yet. But if you'll look, you'll see that we do have it completed. And we have our gas pumps out here. And there's somebody there pumping gas. Not sure what he's doing. Somebody sitting out front too, waiting for their vehicle to be worked on. I think probably he's the owner of that 68 Camaro SS. Yep. Let me take you around the other side. We'll let you see what's going on inside. Well, boy, it's really hard to get down in here because the streets aren't very wide. But you can see we have the windows all in. And we have some stickers on the windows, not stickers, signs in the windows. I don't know if you can read them or not. Let me see if I can get it to focus for you. Yeah, I don't know if you can read that one on the bottom there. I think it says, whoa, it says, George, don't slide in so close. It says George is Citgo, serviced by George, and it's got the hours of operation. And we have a couple of people that are inside waiting for their cars to be repaired, sitting in the waiting room. And did you notice the sign in this window here? I don't know if it's going to let me focus in on it or not. Oh yeah! Haha! The Shade Tree Fix-It Man! And of course up here we have interstate battery sign, and inside there's a clock on the wall, and there's a Coke machine in there and some bottles of Coke amongst other things. You'll have to pardon me for being so shaky. And you can see we have the ding dong bell hose going out crossed, and we have our fuel hoses put onto the gas pumps. Let me swing around and we'll look right inside the garage. Of course, one of the first things you notice is we have our tire pumping set up out here. Yeah. Yeah, we got there's a floor jack back in there. A couple of toolboxes. Oil rack. And way back in the corner there's the air compressor. Yep. And of course we have our Citgo logo on the front, complete with the stripes as it's supposed to be. Put the roof back on. Yeah. And that's about the way George's Citgo used to look. It's not an exact replica, but it's very, very close. And I'll insert a picture again of the actual station before I owned it, when it was a Jenny station. But this is very similar to the way it was when I owned it. It was a fun modification, kit bashing, I guess is what you'd call it. And I'll insert a picture of what the original kit looked like. It was actually a pair of them that I used to build this. And yeah, it's just, for me, a walk down memory lane to the days back when I was still in my 20s, I think. Oh yeah, I was in my 20s. when I had my gas station. And after I ran the gas station, I moved into an independent shop where it was just auto repairs, had no gas, and that was called Service by George. So there you have it, and not much else going on the Shade Tree Railroad. Oh yeah, I did paint the downtown road, and I have some of the other buildings just kind of sitting in place. I still got to do more work, and you can see I pushed all these things out of place when I moved that around so I could get down in there. But I've been working at it. All these little detail things take a lot of time, and making the signs and stuff, that took quite a bit of time too, getting them installed. So hope you've enjoyed this project, and maybe it'll inspire one of you guys to do something similar on your layout. Till next time, this is George, the Shade Tree Railroad Man, saying thanks for watching, for commenting, and for subscribing. Bye for now.